Mike, you have a very vivid description of what the wind sounds like. Can you explain that to us?
Well, it sounds like a woman screaming at the top of her lungs. Very high-pitched squealing sound, and it's coming through every crack in this building right now. And every now and then we hear a big piece of debris hit part of.
If you've read the Bible, then you understand that spirits can manifest through storms. I find it interesting that he notes this storm sounded like a woman screaming at high pitch, and it came out of the Atlantic Ocean. If you take a look at this prophetic word right here, which was posted before this storm, I noted by the Spirit of God that God was going to judge water spirits in the Atlantic Ocean, and I heard them screaming, begging for mercy. That's a manifestation of this. Yes, in the Bible, God judges marine spirits. He even notes that he would judge Leviathan, who is the reptile, the serpent, the dragon of the sea, in Isaiah. Dagon, the Philistine false god, yeah, he was known as a merman. So God judges these spirits. Hit like and follow to hear more stuff.